XRP Ripple coin holders. So in this time, the massive gains occur by the XRP Ripple coin. You can see now on the screen the changes occur in the XRP as positive now 2.07%. The change is positive. Let me show you more. Let's open the brush and let me show. You can see here, my friends, I'm talking about the 24 hours percentage changes occur in the XRP Ripple coin. So my friends, you can see positive 2.07% changes occur in the XRP Ripple coin. So my friends, the price of increase XRP Ripple coin in the last 24 hours. So that's really a good news for all XRP holders. I want to just congratulations to all XRP Ripple coin holders. And now the price is still low, but very soon, my friends, I think in the last of July they can hit a $1 dollar. 0.656314 USD dollar is the currently price of the XRP Ripple coin. And furthermore, you can see here the market cap of the XRP is very fastly, my friends, fastly moving upward. The market cap 65.62 billion dollar is the market cap of the XRP Ripple coin. Furthermore, the 24 hours trading volume of the XRP Ripple coin is 1.39 million. Oh my goodness, 1.39 million in the last 24 hours. That's really a big success of the XRP Ripple coin holders, my friends. Let me show you the more details about XRP Ripple coin. Oh my goodness, absolutely the massive gains occurred by the XRP Ripple coin. So that's a really great pump of XRP Ripple coin. Enjoy, my friends, today is your day. Absolutely, I hope that they will continue this pump for a long time, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video, and tell me in the comment box how do you feel today about XRP. I am feeling very good, my friends. So thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.